Hello dogs, and welcome to another Minecraft video. This is Moby from the CP Gaming channel, and look at my awesome diamond. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. It's so awesome. Okay, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to enchant. And for those of the people who just got Minecraft and they're a complete noob, I mean, I'm still a noob, but I don't really care. So here, let me just get another dinosaur, because this is my real dinosaur. This is just a test dinosaur. And, okay, so let me have that dinosaur. Oh, no. And then okay, let me just, 5. There we go. And diamond sword. Now, I just picked something random. Now, sharpness 1. It'll just give you a random thing. But take all these babies and put them in your inventory. Whatever you want. Then you can go to the anvil. This plus that. Is that what you want? Flame 1. Sharpness flame 1. Looting 3. Yeah, I got an overpowered sword. Knockback 2. And punch 2. Yeah, now we're on a roll. Okay, so pretty much destroy the anvil, destroy the enchanting book. Let's go test it out. Okay, since I don't really like pigs, because they run around a lot, let's spawn a pig. Okay, just to know it's a pig, I will turn the sound up. Okay, it's time for the test. Whoa! It didn't catch on fire though. I'll have to... fire aspects. No, don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, now we'll spawn. No. Spawn a cow. Whoa! That was awesome. Here, let's spawn 2 cows. Whoa! I got a lot of steak. Oh, sun's starting to set. So. How about we... Okay, how about we type set set time time 0. Dang it. I hate this thing. Well, yeah, guys. I got my overpowered sword. All that heebie dreamy. Let me put a torch down. Yeah, you should just go enchanting. Enchant away your sword, your stuff, everything. Yeah. Catch on fire. Oh, one more thing. Let's go test it on a villager. Hello, you die. Oh, somebody killed that guy. Wasn't me. Let's see how many villagers are in here. Hello? You die. You die. Oh, I feel bad for the villagers now. Not really. Yep, guys, I know this was a shorting video. And if you're a Minecraft noob and you just started and you got the game, listen to this video. Type in the CB Gaming channel. And yeah, so and I will talk to you puppies later. See you guys.